Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Monello wheel cleaning mitt, I would call it. It is a wheel cleaning wash mitt, which I received from automoshowebshop.hu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. This one looks almost exactly the same other than the colors than some I tried already from other brands. Personally, I'm not a big fan of these kind of wash mitts for the wheels, but that's my problem. I don't want to be prejudgmental, so I'm going to have a look how it works and then I will come back with a verdict. Let's roll. Okay, boys and girls, that was the Monello wheel wash mitt. In general, I don't really like this kind of mitts, but that's my own problem. Other than that, I can see some people preferring this one, especially for, like, let's say electric cars, where the wheels are kind of like one big block. You cannot really put your hand in. Then with this one you can just quickly wipe it down. Or if you have a alloy wheel like this on this car with the 5 spokes, and those ones are wider spokes, so you can also reach behind, then it is okay. You can work relatively fast with it. But when it comes to like tons of spokes and tiny ones, then it can be a pain in the bum. So yeah, it has its own place in the car detailing, but yeah, as I said, it's not for me, but other than that, it works very well, so I can recommend. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.